Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the fundamental commands in Git Init. So let's dive in and learn how to initialize a new Git repository. The Git Init command is used to initialize a new Git repository in the current directory. When you initialize a repository, Git sets up necessary data structures and files to start version controlling in your project. Let's go through the step-by-step guide on how to use Git Init. Open up your terminal or command prompt and navigate to the directory where you want to create your Git repository. Once you are in the desired directory, simply type in the command git init and hit enter. Git will create a hidden directory called Git inside your current directory. Notice that it starts with dot and it's git. This directory stores all the necessary metadata and objects that Git uses to manage version control. That's it. You have successfully initialized a new Git repository using Git Init. Some additional information with Git Init. After initializing a Git repository, you can start adding files, making commits, and utilizing other Git commands to track changes in your project. Remember to create a .gitignore file to specify which files or directories Git should ignore when tracking changes. This helps exclude unnecessary files such as temporary files or sensitive information like passwords from being added to your repository. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use Git Init to initialize a new Git repository. This simple command is a first step in leveraging the power of Git version control for your projects. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on Git and other essential development tools. Thank you for watching.